Hello and welcome you all. I welcome you all again. One of my short video series related to hands-on by using blockchain. In today's video, I'm going to explain you how you can do the Bitcoin mining by using Python. See, mining means what? That is auditing, and basically, when you do the mining, you are going to verify the legitimacy of Bitcoin transactions. So here we are going to see how exactly we can do the Bitcoin mining by using the Python. So first of all, you should be aware what is Bitcoin mining. So whenever the Bitcoin mining term comes, you have to always keep in mind that is a peer-to-peer network and that is going to collect records of recent transactions and that is also going to verify proof of transactions. See, Bitcoin mining is done for keeping the Bitcoin users honest. See, by doing so, we are going to help so that the problem of double spending and miners can also verify uh, transactions. And here, uh, if we look at, we are using Python. See, why we are using Python? Because when you use the Python, the coding is quite easy. Okay, so first of all, you have to understand the structure of Bitcoin. See, here you are going to consider 64-bit hexadecimal number. So suppose if you want to do the Bitcoin mining, you don't uh, go for mining the whole number. So you are going to need only a few numbers, and Bitcoin miners is going to use huge computer systems. I'm sorry for this particular sentence. So what Bitcoin miners do is they use huge computer systems for guessing the target hash value, and miners make such guesses in a random fashion, and they can generate uh, nonces as possible, as much they want. A nonce is what? That is just an abbreviation of the number which can only be used once. So here you are going to consider a nonce as a number that miners are guessing, and when they guess the right number, they offer the Bitcoin in exchange. Now we will see the program. See, here the Bitcoin mining we are doing with the help of Python. So we just need to guess the correct nonce and then generate the hash number with first X number of zeros. Okay. So we are going to see how Bitcoin mining can be done with the help of Python. So here we need a simple hex value for a string. Okay, so suppose if you look at the first four lines of code, so that will give you idea. Okay, here you are considering the generation of simple hex value as a string. Okay, and here there is a function, and that function is basically going to pass all the parameters that are required for mining the Bitcoin. And if you look at the final step is what? That is going to call the function using the main, and that is going to create a dummy transaction for the Bitcoin, and that is in a way make the process more understandable. So here, if you look at, first of all, you are going to consider hashlib, and here you are going to consider uh, maximum value of nonce, and then you are going to consider the hex value, and after that you will observe the function. So if you look at the function, so that function is going to consider block number, previous hash, transactions, and prefix zeros. Okay, and here you will see the nonce and the range for the maximum nonce, and here you will observe the formula for the text, and then new hash is going to be called as new hash is equal to SHA-256 of text, and there is a if condition, that is if new hash dot start switch prefix str, so you are going to print successfully mined with the given nonce value, and you are going to return the new hash. And there is an exception also, that is could not find correct hash after trying the maximum nonce. So here you are going to seek, like there is a main, and in that main there is a call to the function, and through that function you are going to show the total time, and you are going to print the new hash. So I hope it is clear to all of you, like how you can do the Bitcoin mining by using the Python. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.